Hey, we're filling in on a couple new additions to Old Man's Garage. We're here with Brady from High Country Performance 4x4 out of Denver. Brady, how you doing?
I'm doing great, man. If it was any better, it'd be you.
Oh my gosh, you really want to be me. So listen, man, you got a great setup back here. Tell everybody about your shop, what you do.
All right, so we started with early Broncos in 1980, kind of transitioned, through the marketing, helping everybody out. And so I guess with that being said, we do everything from Jeeps to, the overland kind of things. We want to help people out, get them outdoors, sell the dreams, entertainment, adventure, and, help people enjoy nature. And I mean, literally, we can do anything.
You can do anything. I like that kind of attitude. And where are you located?
So we're southwest Denver, a suburb called Inglewood. Like I said, we've been there 40 years, or 41 years, if you consider 2020 a real year. But.
And as the founder, you've been there 41 years. So you were born in the shop under a bay, it looks like.
Yeah, so the founder, his name was Al Dunn. And if you guys ever seen the early Bronco stuff or the Wild Horse with the fiberglass hoods and everything, so we developed all that stuff. And then as the market transitioned, we became a Jeep shop. And then, like I said, and then now we, kind of do everything. And then Al decided to retire a few years ago, and I don't know if I was lucky enough, or I was lucky.
You were lucky.
Yeah,
you took it over.
I took it over. Great. So it's been a couple of years.
Good. So basically, we can do anything from install gear, lifts, wheels, mounts. You have a retail store as well?
We do. We have a 3,000 square foot showroom, 10,000 square foot shop. Come January, we're expanding. And then if you guys ever heard of the Flop Shop, they do like full custom fab, like 2 buggies and that kind of stuff. So we're acquiring them, and then so we'll be able to, have a full fabrication department. So
fantastic.
We can just kind of help everybody out. We're just, We're just here for you guys. It's a community, man.
That sounds great.
We gotta love this. We're all back, and it's
we're
gotta
all
be
back
great,
and having fun.
Yeah.
So when you're in Denver, check out High Country Performance 4x4. And what's the website?
HCP4x4.com. Our website is not great though, so just follow us on Instagram, High Country Performance 4x4. See the Facebook page, and we're old school guys, man. I mean, I don't look old, but we're not internet guys.
You're an old spirit at heart. Good enough.
Yeah, we want to build stuff and
have fun.
Yeah, heck yeah, man.
You bet. Well, we'll see you out there.
Yeah,
Thanks again.
Oh, I'm looking forward to it. Thank you, guys.
Yep. So Brady, you said you pretty much can do anything, and as I'm walking away, I look and I see a sink and a stove built into the tailgate. I mean, this is fantastic. What do we got here?
So it's kind of a pet project of mine. It's a funny story. I was remodeling my kitchen. I couldn't eat any more hamburgers or steak, and I wanted pasta. So I came up with this idea, looking at the tailgate. I figured we had enough depth on everything. So I took the work tailgate, be able to cut the inner structure out and lay everything in. So it's a Dometic 2-burner like RV stove, which you find in a normal RV. Same with the sink. Cutting board, stainless steel hardware, so it's all food grade. Because I wanted a place to cook, prep and those type of things without carrying, additional things, because space is at a premium.
Fantastic. And then you got your hookups for your gas right in the thing.
I went and bought 90 inches of LPH hose. Then cut the regulator apart and just rebanded it. So propane's on that side. I run it on that side in case there's ever fire, so I don't have to reach over it.
Good. And then your water's underneath?
Yeah, and normally we'll drain it into like a gray bucket, a parking lot like this. So the water's actually on the top of the roof. It's just a Yakima Road shower, but it pressurizes, so we can do dishes and clean. Those type of things.
Fantastic. So this is the kind of build that if somebody came in and wanted this, could you build this for somebody else?
Yeah, absolutely.
Fantastic. Guys, this is the kind of thing that when you buy local, you get local engineering, you get local great ideas. Brady, this is really cool.
Awesome. Well, hey, thanks for the feedback. I really appreciate it.
You get it, man. You get it. So I might have to swing by and get a tailgate done.
Yeah, absolutely.
Great.
Come by, or at least we'll cook you dinner tonight.
That sounds good. Thanks, buddy.